Hey guys, what up? I just woke up, so excuse me for my hair. I didn't make it and I didn't wash it today, but my sister came in. She said, Sohrab, wake up. There's a big package for you, and it's my package from DX, I guess.
Okay guys, so here is the package. It's pretty big. I expected actually 2 packages, but I got everything in this one. I waited like 2 weeks, maybe even not, so it was pretty fast. I didn't expect it yet. But let's unbox with my mini knife. Okay, let's just rip it off, guys. It's taped pretty good, so let's just cut it here. I expected a prettier package, but it's from China, you know, it could be even worse, so I'm happy with even this. Okay, let's take this knife. Okay, there was my iPhone. It felt, but no problem, nothing broke, no damage at all. Pretty nice. Okay, I opened it. So yeah, and there is another package, but this is the first thing I see. These are little Naruto guys. We'll review everything later in the video. I'm really happy with this. The quality is looking pretty good, and I'm a big fan of Naruto. So awesome guys. You'll see. This is a nice leather case for one of my friends. Pretty cool. It's a little bit shiny. I didn't expect it to be this shiny, but okay guys. Oh, I guess this is a small package, but then they found out that they can send everything together. This is a charger for my old iPhone, but then I got my new iPhone, so I don't know if I can use this. I will just rip it off here so I won't drop my iPhone again. This is a little thingy. I don't know what this is, guys. Oh yes, it is the iPad mini cover. So pretty nice. This one was like €2, even not, so actually $2. And the quality is pretty great, as what I see, no damage at all. SIM trace, so you can put our SIMs. Pretty nice. Damn, this one was $4, but I expected a really shitty thing. It's a pretty great and big case, so this is really awesome, guys. I just thought some crap, but it's definitely not some crap. So pretty cool. This is screen guard for iPhone, but here is an iPhone 3, but I guess it's for the iPhone 5, at least that's what I hope, because that was what I ordered, but we will see later in the video. There are some things you can put on your toes. I know, I just bought them to sell. They were like 50 cents or something, so most of the stuff is to sell. Here is a second one of them, because I just had some money over and I didn't know what to buy. These are pretty awesome pen knives. We will open these first. And the last thing I ordered is this pen for my sister. It's pretty nice. I think I ordered one more thing, but I'm not sure, guys, so I don't remember. I will check that later. So let's open one of the pens. These are for my friends, actually, so pretty nice. You see? You can open the pen and there is a knife. And it's a pretty great knife, I think. There you go. Pretty awesome. and it's just a real writing pen. Where's the second one? You see, but I don't know how to put this back. Oh, just like that. Pretty cool. So this is for two of my mates. Pretty nice. The glow in the dark thing. I won't open this because it is a gift. Here is the Stitch figgy for the iPhone 4. I have my 4S still somewhere downstairs. So pretty nice. Oh shit. I really don't know how to open the ice. So here is a thing for the home button. It's pressable, but not that great. Okay, it is pressable actually. So you can open these. This is the volume button. And you can just close it again like this. On your iPhone, of course, because there you go. Pretty nice actually. I didn't expect this great quality. It's pretty good quality. It was like €4, so that's really awesome. Excuse me for my cough, I'm just a little sick. So here are the screen guards. There should be 5 in this package. It's a pretty thick package, but I'm not sure about it because I don't know what they sent you, you know. Yes, it's what I ordered. So here are 5 screen guards, and they are for the iPhone 5. So this was 90 cents for for the 5, but I can sell them for €1 per one, so that's pretty great. And what I'm gonna use for myself, this is a nano adapter. Pretty cool. Nothing to review on that. This is a case on the iPad, but then you can put a smart cover still on it, so it's just a hard plastic case. The cable for the iPhone, let's just open it and nothing more than that. This is pretty nice and pretty cool. This is the case for my friend, but let's just open it and put it back in there because it's not mine. It's more of a glossy case, so that's they showed me a leather case, but then they gave me this glossy case, so I don't really know if he will like this because he's a boy and this is really glossy, you see guys. So then we go to the last item I ordered, and I can't wait to open this guys, so let's go. I'm like 15 but still a kid, and Naruto is just an awesome thing. I know even grown men and stuff watch Naruto because it's just awesome guys. And fuck again. I know everyone watched Naruto, and it is pretty nice. So let's open this up. There's a lot of glue, no plastic, in here. I don't know what to do with it, but you will see, of course. So here's Naruto. Okay, my mom was calling me. Here is something else. This is Gara. I'm not sure, guys. I don't know this guy, I guess. For me, it's looking like Gara, or no, it's not. Yes, it is Gara, guys. He has that half face, you know. So it could be the half face of the werewolf. He has the eyes of Gara and the hair, and even this costume. No, Gara didn't have this costume actually. I'm not sure who this guy is, guys. If I'm wrong, you can tell me in the description. This is Sasuke, yes. I wasn't sure if I will get him, but he's one of my favorites. So he, Kakashi Sensei, and Gara are my favorites. So if that is Gara, pretty awesome. But Gara has red hair. But okay, for a €3 thing, that's pretty nice to get. You see, this is Sasuke. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is Kakashi Sensei. He has white hair, but here it's pretty bluish. No problem, guys. Everyone can tell it is Kakashi Sensei. Really awesome. Oh no, it is not Kakashi Sensei. It's that other guy. Sorry, Kakashi Sensei is there. This is the... I forgot his name. He has gray hair, but... What is his name, guys? That perverted hermit. I don't know his name. Jaya or something like that. And there is Kakashi Sensei. So the girl isn't here. Kakashi Sensei with blue hair, but not that bad. Here are a little bit of, you know, they forgot to paint a little part, but it's pretty nice. A little part of Naruto's hand was broken. Oh no, it isn't, it's just his hand. Okay, so nothing is broken at these guys, and that's pretty great. And then the last thing of this unboxing. And then we got everything. And this is Orochimaru. You see, pretty great. But this guy has the same costume, so maybe this is Kabuto, but he doesn't look like Kabuto, and these arms are of Gaara, I guess. I'm not sure. But this is Orochimaru for sure. Right? Yes, because this is his hair. I thought maybe he is wearing a thing, and he's the brother of Gaara, but he isn't. So pretty nice set, guys. I love it, and I will see you in my next unboxing or review.